you guys, how are you? This is Leslie and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I have another gelx nail tutorial video for you guys, so I hope that you guys like it. Fall's already here and like Halloween is happening and everything, so we just want to get into the vibe. So I got some really cute nail designs for you guys in the upcoming videos, so I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in the button down below. And without further ado, let's just jump into the video. For these nails, I've already applied all the gelx and I will move on to the design. I'm applying 2 coats of this pink nude-ish gel color. I bought this one from Amazon and I'll list it down below for you guys. I cure it for 60 seconds in between each layer. For the actual nail art, we're going to be using these stickers that I found from Amazon, and I basically just go through them and see which one would fit my nail the best so that I don't have to trim that much and it would be able to just glue perfectly. So I grab it with some tweezers so that it's easier to place it. And if there's extra sticker on the sides, I just trim it with a cuticle trimmer, and then I add some top coat so that it cures the sticker, like it protects it so that I could wash my hands or whatever and it won't fall off. And this is honestly the easiest way to do nail art. They look super cute. These stickers are kind of like 3D, so you would feel the texture, but it's not bad. You add a little bit of top coat so that you can protect them and they won't fall off, and it is perfect. You got a nail art in a Halloween design in like 5 minutes.